Got a question on YouTube from someone that asked if the Tenants Protection Act, 1 month's worth of move-out assistance, if that payment is applicable to any tenancies covered under the Section 8 Housing Voucher Program. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, this questioner had a question about whether or not the 1 month's worth of move-out assistance applied to housing voucher participants under the Section 8 program. The answer is technically under the Tenants Protection Act, a landlord would be exempt from the TPA, including the payment provisions under subdivision, under Civil Code Section 1946.2, subdivision E9. And that exemption is kind of like a, has a lot going on there. It basically exempts landlords that have housing restricted by deed, regulatory restrictions contained in an agreement with a government entity or other recorded document as affordable housing for persons and families of very low or moderate income as defined in Section 50093 of the Health and Safety Code. But if you read the last part, there's a provision in there that says, or subject to an agreement that provides housing subsidies for affordable housing for persons and families of very low or moderate income as defined by that same code section. If you open up Section 50093 of the Health and Safety Code, the code section can't talk today, incorporates things covered under the under Section 8 of the United States Housing Act of 1937. That, folks, is pretty much the Section 8 program, and it, by incorporation, by reference, I would say yes, landlords of housing voucher program, Section 8 vouchers, are technically exempt under the Tenants Protection Act. Now, I've dealt with the 1 month's worth of move-out assistance differently, because at first I thought it was like a legislative boo-boo, but I'll tell you one way you can do that to kind of be on both ends, you know, safe and secure, with giving move-out assistance if you're going to do that. But technically under the TPA exemption, under Section 1946.2 subdivision E9, you're technically exempt. So hope that helps out. Obviously, if you have technical issues like this, you want to talk with Landlords Council to see how you can proceed. You know, certain programs may not qualify under that exemption, but in my opinion, Section 8 vouchers do. So we'll talk more about that. Stay tuned for the next video about how sometimes I handle that. And until then, we'll see you then. Thanks.